So, our topic for today is how to give a self introduction and impress the recruiter. So, first of all, you have to keep in mind that it should be very short. It should be short and crisp. So, you have to be prepared for a 30-second introduction where you have to include things like who you are, what you do, your interests, experiences, habits, strengths, and goals. You'll be having a chance to show him or her what type of personality you have. Tell about your previous job experiences and what type of responsibilities you have got. You can explain how your skills can provide solutions to those common challenges or problems. Then you can share a success story of yours, like if you have worked in any companies previously, then you can share your success stories. For example, you can showcase your achievements and abilities, the challenges which you have faced, and what actions you have taken, and how you used your skills to solve those problems.